Hello guys, I wanted to do this simple video today just to explain to you why a bad comment can ruin your results. Not only for the obvious reasons, okay, not when someone is cursing or saying bad things about your product and stuff, which is also an alert for you so that you can see if something is wrong with your product, but I want to analyze it from a technical perspective. First of all, I would like to show you how you can hide a comment just so that we can get this out of the way. I'm here on my group. This is a shout out to Federico Frisina. I have never met him, but it's a person that is active on my group and on my YouTube videos. So shout outs to you, Federico. Yesterday I made a mistake. I posted one video earlier. So when he tried to see it and he clicked from the group, it was private because it should be it should have been posted the next day. Okay, so Federico, that is what happened. So in order to hide it, you go here and you press on hide comment. Okay, and again I'm going to hide also my comment here. Basically I'm going to delete mine. But now what is happening with this comment over here? We can see it here, and you can actually, if you want, unhide the comment and reactivate it. What is happening? Federico is not going to see that this comment is hidden, and his friends also are going to be able to see this comment. So what does this do? It stops the negativity, okay? I'm not saying that Federico is negative here, but it stops all of that. So when you want to hide a comment, this is the way to do it, and a lot of times it's going to help you from other people joining in and saying the same thing. Now, if you are one of the business owners that you're having a problematic product and you're just hiding the comments just to scam more people, shame on you.
Shame. Shame. Shame.
And this video is not about you. But if you're someone, for example, that you have a spelling mistake, for example, in one of your ads, okay, and someone is engaging with that, this can cause Okay, let's continue. So if you are one of these persons that you are having, for example, a spelling mistake in any of your ads, on the copy, on the image and stuff, one person can write, hey, you have a spelling mistake or whatever, but if you leave it there, more people are going to join in and they're going to continue. If the mistake is very small and your ad is actually working and it's having sales, you need to hide these comments for two reasons. First of all, so that you're not going to continue this train of people that are going to write more comments about it. And secondly, you are having false engagement. And this is the whole purpose of this video. When you are having false engagement, these things can happen. For example, if in one of your videos or images, you're having some people mocking, for example, the actor of the video and saying that he is fat, for example, then you're creating what we call false engagement. Facebook ad is seeing that people are actually, especially when you're using dynamic ads, they are actually engaging with a specific video, and it thinks that they're engaging, adding comments because it cannot filter if they're good or bad, thinking that this video is having positive reaction when it might have negative reaction. What does this mean? That Facebook is going to spend more money on this video, and then you're going to have false engagement and false results because you're spending money on a video that you shouldn't spend because people don't like or they hate or they have negative comments about it. So hiding comments is very important, especially when you see that something is going wrong. And again, this video is not about the people that they have a shitty product and they want to sell it, but it's all about the people that they might make one mistake and Facebook is going to use that false engagement to spend their money not in the best possible way. So hide comments. This is how it works. People are not going to be able to see that you're hiding their comments and their friends, so they're going to think like, okay, he's not silencing me. And the other thing is that after doing that, you will be able to control this full spread of negativity that you might have if you leave your comments. Personally, I'm not checking the comments, but I'm telling to all of my clients to check their comments daily so that we can stop any negative behaviors and negative and bad engagement. I hope it helps. I'm going to see you in a future video. Be creative and be consistent.